Are you looking to build or renovate a veterinary clinic or animal hospital? If you are starting a new veterinary clinic or animal hospital, renovating existing clinic, or building a new location, JOTMedical can help you with our veterinary clinic construction and renovation services. JOTMedical creates individually tailored designs for you to meet the needs of the veterinarian, support staff, animal patients, and clients. Whether you are looking to build a new space, renovate an existing facility, or convert an existing building into an animal hospital, JOTMedical creates aesthetically pleasing, welcoming, and practical layouts for your waiting areas, exam and operating rooms, and other areas. Create a beautiful area that looks modern, professional, yet friendly and comfortable to encourage clients. From design to completion, we ensure you get the dream veterinary clinic or animal hospital you are looking for. Every aspect, including layout and interior design elements, customer and veterinarian experience is considered. Vet clinic renovation. JOTMedical has the knowledge and experience in designing for veterinary hospitals and clinics. We will provide you with the best layout options for your business. Our expert design team incorporates the functional needs of all parties and integrates them into a beautiful, cohesive package. We are also experienced in sourcing quality veterinary equipment and can provide you with cost-effective, budget-friendly options that meet your needs. At JOTMedical, we manage all aspects of your renovation or new clinic construction, so you do not need to worry about coordinating work or missing a critical step or requirement. From finding a location to design, construction, equipment purchasing to final perfect finishes, JOTMedical is your single source for all services. Connect with us today to discuss your project. Visit jotmedical.com.